What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I finally get to tell you guys what I've been working on, trying to get this thing down here for like a month. It's been fun, but we bought, I bought a project, and it's large. It's a big project, like literally physically large. But it's kind of something I've always kind of wanted. Now it's, again, as like I said, it's a project. It needs some work, and I've already kind of got everything lined up, planned out in my head. But obviously, we're gonna run into stuff that you didn't foresee and all that stuff, and that's already happened. And I'm gonna show you all of the shenanigans that it took place to get this thing and get it here. It's been a process. So I filmed some stuff. Tabitha, my fiance, she filmed a bunch of stuff, just us trying to get it on, get it here, and it was crazy. But this is it, guys.
What are we doing with these?
Once we get the truck on the ground, just gonna throw them in the... So, you might be thinking, why the hell is the cab white? Well, apparently the white truck, which is what the cab and the frame and the VIN, and that's what everything's matched to, is the white truck. That truck was a farm truck or something like that, and every single body panel on the truck apparently was scratched or damaged or something of the sort. So the guy I bought it from had a straight body F350. These panels got some dings and dents and stuff, but they're apparently a lot better than what was previously on the truck. And he swapped them. So when I saw the truck, I originally went up to look at a totally different truck, and it was a 6-liter. And to be honest, I really wasn't into the 6-liter, getting another one and all that stuff. I really wanted a 6.7, but they're always kind of out of your budget. Like a truck like this, say it was clean and had the mileage that it has. This one's got about 160,000 miles. If this thing was clean and ready to roll down the road completely, that's a 28,000 dollar truck, easy. Some people are asking more than that for them. But this one is not that, obviously. But it is a clean title. It's never been, now no salvage title, anything like that. So it's a clean title, 2012, 6.7. It is a Lariat, although the guy at some point, he must have, not the guy I bought it from, but the original owner must have shattered the back glass, because if you know anything about these, you know that all of the 6.7 Lariats had the power sliding glass window. It wasn't a standard thing that came with them. There was no I guess you could order that, but it's got the button inside and everything like that. So I assume that's what happened. He just didn't want to spend the $600 on a new piece of glass. But it's in this body's in decent shape. I mean, it needs a good cut and buff, and it's dirty right now. And when I bought it, it had these old worn out mud tires on it that were 10 years old, it looked like. So I bought some takeoffs off of another truck and threw them on so I could, drive it home. Now that's a different story altogether. The guy ended up having to fix some stuff with it, and it's a fiasco. I mean, I'll kind of throw it in here, but I didn't even make it 5 miles from the house.
Crank it up, man.
It's got, you know, this is like the major thing on the truck is this really big scratch right here. But sorry about the wind. I'll try to hide behind the truck. That's really the only major thing wrong with the body. Other than that, it's just like little dings and dents and whatnot. But I would show you the inside, but I've got some stuff in there that I don't really want to show you guys yet. But oh, it looks like a 6.7. But it needs a new windshield. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that's all. Windshield's destroyed in it. But I'm getting ready to do some maintenance stuff to it. The fuel filters need to be changed. The oil needs to be changed in it. It was sitting for like 6 or 7 months in a field. So, like, you know, it's probably got condensation in the fuel tanks. Like, so I need to drain the water separator, change all that, change the filters. There's a fuel filter up here. The oil's been just sitting in the truck forever. So all that stuff needs to get done. It's just little maintenance stuff that I want to get done before we start really tackling the big stuff. I want to check the front end out. I know it's got some, you know, steering components that are probably bad, and just a truck with 160,000 miles is going to have that. Somebody at some point cut the parking brake cable on the truck. So it's got like a bunch of little odd knick-knack things that are wrong with it. But nothing too crazy. I hope the wind's not too bad over here. But yeah, it's a project. The seats in it are destroyed. It looks like, you know, Freddy Krueger got to them, or a bear or something like that. I have no idea what the previous owner, what he like kept in his pockets or something. I might be able to show you the driver's seat, but the passenger front seat is just as bad. Of course, I leave the keys inside. Anyway, it's rough. So we've got some remedies for that and some stuff that I kind of wanted to do to it, but all that'll be in time. I'm hoping this doesn't take us forever to do. Hoping by like middle of January, this thing's like ready to be driven as like a daily. So that will depend. I don't know if I'll keep this truck or if we'll keep the old trusty rusty over there, the F-150. Oh yeah, we got some running boards for it too, because Tabitha was like, I can't get in this truck. So we got some running boards for it. So those will get put on, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, I've driven the truck, obviously to test drive it and stuff like that, and it's comfy, man. I didn't really expect them to be that comfortable and that quiet, but I mean, it's easily as comfortable as that. So more than likely we'll be keeping this and selling the F-150. But obviously time will tell. We got to get it built and get it ready, but it's been a long time in the making for this. I originally went and saw this truck in the end of September is when I went out in the field and actually saw it for the first time, and like the front end wasn't on it, nothing was on it. And so Tabitha was with me, and I'm looking at this thing like I could see like the potential to it, and it's got no fenders on it, no headlights, no grill, no nothing on it, and she's looking at me like no, like what are you doing? But for what we got it for and what it will be worth after we put the work into it, even if we sell it, we should make money if we really needed to. So what you all came here for to find out is, since it's in the title, what did I pay for this clean title 2012 Lariat F250? I paid $16 for it. So, and it needs probably 3,000 or 4,000 worth of work. So we should be in it about 20 or thereabouts. You know, I'm gonna track it all and let you know kind of exactly what everything cost and everything. So we should be in it about 20, 21 at the high end, I'm hoping. And that's kind of the gist on the pricing so far. I have bought a couple of things for it already. Obviously, you know, I got the oil filter, fuel filters. I got the tires for it, and you know, stuff like that. And I've got some stuff to redo the interior, the seats, and all that. But I'll break all that down to you as we go through the videos and the series on the truck and everything like that. But I'm excited, man. I think it's going to be cool when it's all said and done. It will obviously tow, you know, anything that I need it to tow. And they still, I mean, like, I love the way these body styles look. It drives fantastic. So like I said, I'm genuinely excited about kind of getting into it and getting started. So I'm gonna get on it, get these fuel filters and everything changed. I'm not really gonna do a video on that. It's kind of boring, just basic maintenance that's got to be done on it. But just know that all that stuff is getting done. It's got new brakes on it. But when I change the tires, I mean, like, the brakes are brand new on it. Like, they haven't ever been used. So it's crazy. It needs a clock spring. So like I said, it needs a bunch of little stuff. But as we go through and we do all that stuff, you know, we'll obviously take you guys along. But I just wanted to show you kind of what was up and what I've been waiting on the last couple of weeks. So we have this going on. We've got EYB coming up, not this weekend, but the weekend after that. So that's going to put a hold on things. We've also got some other really big stuff happening, kind of all at the same time. It's crazy. So, you know, bear with me. I'm trying to get these videos out and still work full time and do all the stuff, and it's crazy. So I'll get this video out soon, and I will catch you guys on the next one. As always, I appreciate you guys coming out, watching the videos, hanging out, commenting, all the stuff that you guys do. I do appreciate it. And if you do like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, especially on the truck, consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.